Hello, good day, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Welcome once again to Quick Fix Mobile Phones and Gadget Center. We are here today to work on this very particular phone, iPhone X. It's having issue with the battery. The battery don't last long. All we want to do now is just to remove this battery and place a new one. So we're going to watch the process. But before you watch the process, please like, share, and comment so that Facebook can recommend it to others. For those of you who like our videos, if you like what we are doing, please share. So let's go watch the video. Yo, welcome back. As you can see, we are done removing the previous battery, the bad one. I want to replace it with a new battery. Here is the new battery. Just take a look at it, the new battery. And here is the previous battery, the old one. So just watch the process on how we are going to do it. But before we show you the video, please like, share, and comment so that people who like the video will also see it. So just let's watch the process and share the video. So let's go. Yo, welcome back. We are done fixing the new battery. Just take a look at the phone now. The phone is now perfectly working okay. So if you come up in a situation like this, you change your new battery on your phone, all you gotta do, first of all, charge it 100% so that the battery will be strong before you start using it. So I believe you like the video. Please comment and share so that people also who like the video, they will also share. So let's go. Thank you for your watching. Let's go.